Hi, this is Brad Corbin from HIRevPro, and we're going to walk through building an elite quote on the HIRevPro Sales Simplified platform. Once you sign in, you're going to come to the screen where your quotes are. So we're going to go to create a quote, and we are going to create an elite quote. So from here, it will open up a new customer, which we have to enter their first and last name, email address, and phone number. Three pretty simple pieces of information. You can actually create a quote with just the name, but in order to continue through to a contract and material order, we would have to have everything completed. So I'm going to go ahead and do that from this step. We're going to input their address here, again for the same reason. And go ahead and click next. At this page, you are able to indicate whether it is an insurance claim or a retail quote simply by pressing the button for insurance claim. We'll do that in a later episode. Currently, we're going to do a retail quote. This is the first place you're going to see the notes section. So these project notes go on your contract, and these project notes go on your material order for your crews. And then we'll go ahead and click next, and we're going to be into the actual platform of building a roof. You are able to simply input your tear-off squares, hip and ridge, valley, starter, and then the material overage. This section is going to actually cover just the field shingle, so not including hip ridge and valley, but just the field shingle, so however much material waste that you want to factor for. Go ahead and hit next. Now in this section, we're going to have an essential section which would be covered on all quotes, so if you were going to redeck the house, you could put that in there. Again, this will go on all the quotes. These sections, if you need just one sheet of OSB or two sheets, do that. Don't forget to input a value after you select the item. Hit next and go on to the next page. So we have the option for 4 nails or 6 nails, so standard application or high wind, and the system will auto calculate each option. So whatever is on within your business profile will be visible to you on this step. We'll hit next. This particular case, we have Owens Corning shingles on, so all of the colors that are available in this area are going to be, or in your current area, are going to be visible to you. So we'll do the Supreme as a basic. We will do a Oak Ridge as our better, and we'll do a WeatherGuard HP as our best. And on this step, you're also able to toggle back and forth between the color and the house view. Back and forth that way. Now on your ridge shingles, again, you're going to have the selection of basic, better, best. So again, we're building 3 quotes all at one time. So do cut 3 tab on our basic. We'll do riser ridge on our better, and WeatherGuard HP ridge on our best. Hit next. You have the ability to add custom products on any and all pages. The W value would auto calculate off your valley measurement. We'll put that one on the better. Pipe jacks, again, basic, better, best. So say our basic and better, we're going to do 4 3-in-1s. You can type those in, or you can click the plus minus buttons. And on our best, we'll put 4 lead jacks instead of the 3-in-1s. On our exhaust, again, we have varying options. So these are going to be in 4-foot sticks. So if we need 100 feet, we got to put 25 on there. We can put These are going to be on our basic slant backs. Say there's 6 of those. Go ahead and hit next. This would be your Versa caps for your exhaust caps, mushroom caps, whatever you call them. We're going to skip past this one. Now you have the ability to add your felt in varying basic, better, best fashion as well. We'll do OC starter strip shingles on all of these. Hit next. Weatherlock mat for our valley underlayment. Go ahead and hit add to all on that one. You can also navigate from this left section. If we're going to do drip edge on all 3, jump to our warranty. If you're a platinum preferred, or if you're doing GAF or certainty, all of the varying shingle options are available to you within here. So you're going to have, say, the one that comes with it. We'll do a preferred on our better and a platinum on our best. Now you have the option to change your workmanship warranty, your own custom workmanship warranty. So I have it in here as 5-year and 2-year. So maybe if you do 3-tab, you only do a 2-year warranty, but on your laminated comp, you go to a 5-year. So you can do that there. Labor 1 layer is always going to be depicted on every single quote, and that's going to total up your ridge, starter, and field shingles with waste. You're able to split out your roof if you have half of it. Say that's a 812, you can put 26 squares here. The rest of it says a 612, so you wouldn't need any additional labor there. And then as you can see, there's the ability to add various items. So cut in the ridge vent. We did this particular one in the system by linear footage. Hit next. Again, you have the ability to add gutter screens, anything and everything that you ever wanted to add. You can just add it onto here. So I wanted to do a 6 foot fence per linear foot, and our cost is $19. And we're only going to do that one on our best, and we have, say, a 72-foot fence on one side of the house. At this point, we would generate our quotes. It's going to bring up our quotes page, where we have, again, our basic, better, best. Now once we're in here, we're able to click open this, and it will show the varying financing options that they do have available. 0 for 60 months is going to be $487.26. We could do 12 months no interest. Then they have 84 months to pay it off, so their payment after, if they don't pay it off in the first 12 months, is going to be $462. And then on this one, we will do paid in full, which is going to be a cash only price. So now you have 3 different payment options. You can also indicate a cash down portion. If they were putting part of their insurance proceeds down, you could apply it to every quote tier. So now it's going to change the payments for both of these simultaneously. But now we've quoted a roof. So once we get here, we can go into our better, and you're able to see this total sales price, how much they're putting down, total financed amount, and which plan number. The total of the payments if they weren't to pay it off early. It's got some pretty hefty interest on it. And then you're able to show all the details. So at this point, we could select this quote, and we're to the point that we would generate a contract. So for now, we will end this video here, and I will do a separate video in the later episode for generating a contract as well as a material order. If you have any questions, please visit us at www.HIRevPro.com. You can also email us, support@HIRevPro.com. That's HIRevPro.com. Or you can also give us a shout at any point in time that we can help you. Just just reach out to us, let us know, and we would be more than happy to help you through creating your first quote or your 50th quote. It doesn't matter. We're always here to help. Phone number is 877-224-0588. I want to thank you for watching this and have a great day.